Finally got a bit of spring weather. Not quite spring yet, but gorgeous. So we're going to do a bit of a walk with the goats. Take them to eat some of the Spanish heath. This is all debris cut down from people who did the fire prevention for the big power poles we've got here. So they cut all this stuff down. And then they come back normally within a week and a half or so, and they chip it all up and get rid of it. So Ruben, he's going to hold Hermione, I think, aren't you?
Yeah.
You want to hold Hermione? I'll hold the rest, and wife Steph might hold one of them. We're just going to take them down. Probably almost the start of the year where we start moving them out into different areas with the electric fence, but today we're just going to take them a bit of a walk and let them have a bit of a look around. Okay, we'll head and take them off. I've got the two biggest guys here. So I've got Felix and Fergie here. You can have pull with a bit of strength when they want. Come on. All in all, really, they're not too bad to walk with, really. I want to get up to the other ones, but it's alright. Come on. Tree's going okay. We planted that a few months ago out of a pot. Not too bad. And the daffodils are coming up. Still some to flower, but it should stay there every year now. Quite good. Such nice weather, we decided we might as well get the mule out. Lydia's come to join us. We're going to put the trailer on, collect up a lot of sticks along the driveway. Got a decent bonfire to burn. The weather's pretty good, so tomorrow we might burn this bonfire. Just some old pallets, then just really garden debris. Some family have dropped off debris as well, so just head down, and beautiful weather, the sun's out in the hill. Just head down and pick up the little trailer, so we can chuck all the stuff in that. Little Angus is in the back, so won't chuck too much debris in the back of here today. You can see it's a little bit wet down here. We've had a fair bit of rain lately, so nice bit of a reprieve today, nice weather. Oh, your water's all spilled out, has it? got in down the bottom, or the mice, annoyingly. Left it there a little bit too long. Hi everyone, got the fire going today, the bonfire, sort of mid-morning, so I'm just going to head down. Pretty much got to be there the whole day to watch it because it's a little bit windy today. So you see a bit of wind up there. It's hitting 25 km an hour maybe. So while I've got the forks on the tractor, I'm going to go move some stuff from down the bottom. So it's a bit neater down there. There's some pallets of wood, pallets of bricks, a bit of implements, a few implements to get rid of, so it's neater down the damn shed. You gotta come back. Got a visitor for this trip. Ollie's come for the ride. So we're just going to dump off, these are just some bricks. I just want to make it a bit neater and nicer down at the dam cave for entertaining. So get rid of the debris from down there and dump it down to the woodshed. Now we've got another visitor. Ruben's run down, so we've got two in the tractor here today. enjoyed the video. See you next